Hello everyone, my name is Ibrahima Sako. Today I will show you how to write your SEO article.
Shutterstock Music.
Don't forget to subscribe on this channel, like and share the video. You will get new video every Thursday.
Shutterstock Music.
1. Plan your content with proper keyword shares.
Shutterstock Music.
2. Find semantic keywords for your focus keyword.
Shutterstock Music.
3. Write an effective blog post title. 4. Make internal linking a habit.
Shutterstock Music.
5. Add images and a video to your blog post. 6. Add meta description to your blog post. 7. Make your articles easier to read. 8. Use categories and then tags to organize your content. 9. Aim to be the future snippet in the search result. 10. Optimize all the blog posts. 11. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. You will get new video every Thursday. Thank you.
Shutterstock Music.
Explainer video provided by Ibrahima Sako at Sako Infographic Studio. How to use infographic. Welcome.
Shutterstock Music.
If you love this, share with your team. Thank you.
Shutterstock Music.
Be the company rockstar.
Shutterstock Music.